Hello everyone, this is day 11 of learning Unity game development. In the last videos, I added a dash mechanic, but it didn't have a proper animation yet. So today, I focused on adding a dash animation and wiring it into the animator. Before changing anything, I tested the game to see how the dash looks right now. First, I created a new animation called dash and added all the dash sprites from the new sprite pack. Then in the animator, I added transition from any state to dash and from dash back to idle using a boolean parameter called isDashing. In the player movement script, I just set this boolean to true when the dash starts and set it back to false when the dash ends. At first, the dash animation only worked on the ground but not in the air. After a bit of testing, I realized this was happening because both jump and dash were using transitions from any state. So I went back to the animator and added conditions to make sure other transitions don't interrupt the dash animation. I also adjusted the dash animation timing and tweaked the dash speed and duration so it doesn't end too quickly. There's still a small delay when going from jump to dash. So this isn't perfect yet, but it's already much better than before. While I was here, I also cleaned up the script by adding headers and comments, so it's easier to read and understand it in the inspector. After that, I tested everything one last time, and now the dash has a proper animation and looks much better in game. That's it for this video. Today was all about improving the dash visually and cleaning up the animator and code a bit. I'll keep building on this from here.